Hey, welcome to my channel, The Gourmet Home Guide. In this video, we try to help you find out the best cordless drills on the market. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Let's see the product one by one. Number 1. Black+Decker 20V Max Lithium-Ion Drill. The Black+Decker 20V Max Lithium-Ion Drill is a versatile and reliable power tool designed for a range of DIY tasks. With a powerful 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, this drill provides ample power for drilling through various materials. The variable speed control and 11-position clutch offer precision for different applications, while the 3/8-inch keyless chuck allows for quick and easy bit changes. The compact and lightweight design enhances maneuverability in tight spaces. The drill features an LED work light, providing visibility in dimly lit areas. Whether you're assembling furniture, drilling into wood or metal, the Black+Decker 20V Max Lithium-Ion Drill is a practical choice for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners alike. Number 2. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill/Driver Kit. The DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill/Driver Kit is a powerful and reliable tool designed for professional and DIY applications. With a high-performance motor delivering 300 Watts-hour (UWO), it provides ample power for a variety of drilling and fastening tasks. The compact and lightweight design enhances user comfort, especially in confined spaces. The drill features a 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck for quick and secure bit changes. The kit includes two 20V Max lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and a durable contractor bag for convenient portability. With variable speed settings and a versatile clutch with 15 adjustable positions, this DEWALT drill kit ensures precision and control for every project. Number 3. Pink Power Drill Driver Set. The Pink Power Drill Driver Set is a stylish and functional tool designed for both efficiency and aesthetic appeal. This compact and lightweight drill features a 20V lithium-ion battery, providing ample power for various tasks. The 3/8-inch keyless chuck allows for easy bit changes, while the variable speed trigger and 16 torque settings offer precise control for drilling and driving applications. The set includes a matching pink toolkit with a case, charger, and a variety of drill bits and accessories, combining practicality with a touch of personality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, the Pink Power Drill Driver Set delivers reliable performance and a pop of color to your toolbox. Number 4. Porter Cable Cordless Drill Combo. The Porter Cable Cordless Drill Combo Kit with Impact Driver is a versatile and powerful toolset designed for a range of applications. The 20V Max Lithium-Ion battery powers both the drill and impact driver, providing ample runtime and efficiency. The drill features a 1/2-inch keyless chuck for easy bit changes, while the impact driver delivers high torque for fastening and driving tasks. With variable speed triggers and ergonomic designs, both tools offer user-friendly control and comfort. The kit includes two batteries, a charger, and a convenient storage bag, making it ideal for on-the-go projects. Whether you're a professional or DIY enthusiast, this Porter Cable Combo Kit ensures reliable performance and convenience. Number 5. Bosch PS31-2A 12V Max Drill/Driver Kit. The Bosch PS31-2A 12V Max Drill/Driver Kit is a compact and powerful tool designed for efficient drilling and driving tasks. With a lightweight and ergonomic design, this drill/driver offers excellent maneuverability in tight spaces. The 12-volt lithium-ion battery provides ample power, and the 3/8-inch single-sleeve chuck allows for quick and easy bit changes. The 2-speed transmission offers versatility for various applications, while the 20+1 clutch settings provide precise torque control. The kit includes two batteries, a charger, and a carrying case for added convenience. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the Bosch PS31-2A offers reliable performance and portability for a wide range of projects.